Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reset your wealth strategy with RBC, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To reset your wealth strategy with RBC, begin by logging into your RBC account online. Navigate to the Wealth Management section in the menu. Select the Investment Planning option to view your current portfolio. Review your existing investment goals and performance metrics. Take note of any changes in your financial situation or future aspirations. If needed, schedule a meeting with an RBC financial advisor for personalized guidance. Discuss your financial objectives during the meeting. Ask about strategies that may align better with your current needs. Review suggested changes and how they impact your overall strategy. Take the time to understand the risks and benefits of each proposed adjustment. Decide on a new investment allocation that reflects your updated goals. Update your investment preferences in your RBC online account. Monitor your portfolio regularly to ensure it stays aligned with your strategy. Adjust your plan as necessary based on market conditions and your personal circumstances. Consider setting up automated contributions to simplify your investing process. Utilize RBC's educational resources and tools for ongoing support. Keep an open line of communication with your financial advisor for continued guidance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.